In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram account from phone. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end. And before I move on to the video, subscribe if you are new here and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more informative videos similar to this. Now, in order to remove Instagram account from your phone, you need to first log out of your Instagram. Open up your Instagram, tap on your profile icon on the bottom, tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings, and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on logout. Now sometimes even if you log out of your account, your information could be still stored, so you need to tap on this add account again and tap on login to an existing account. If the account shows up in this page, then you need to tap on the three dots and remove it from there. But if a login page shows up, then your account has been successfully removed. That's how easily you can remove Instagram account from your phone. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, then subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.